Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed whatever time we end up spending together. If you do not subscribe, I'll make sure that you get a really bad sunburn. Or that when you're trying to film the light just, screws you over. So there's that. Today we are doing a little Mish Mash Monday. We are playing with the Haunted palette from Gourmande Girls and the Keys Beachy and Peachy palette from Nomad. So if you want to do a little palette bingo time with me, see what Mish Mash Monday is if you haven't been here, and create this look right here, then let's get into it. Hello, hi, good morning. It's been a bit. I've been gone. I had dental work done, then I got shut in the middle of it, and then I ended up having to be on stepmom duty. So here we are, a little bit later. We're back. Hello. So today is, a little mishmash Monday. I'm a little rusty. My husband got a freaking mini fridge in a room. It's right next to us, so bear with that sound. My God. But yeah, today is Mish Mash Monday. It is where I take two palettes from my collection. I try to choose ones where the color stories are complete opposites, and then I run a number, generate 3 shades from each palette, and then I create a look with it. So today's palettes are just, a little bit something different, a little bit, it really fits the mishmash vibe. It is the Haunted palette from Gourmande Girls. It looks like this. I've never used this one before. It's kind of just been staying in my collection. I just looked over and I was like, you know what? Let's use it today. And then the Nomad Keys and Beachy and Peachy palette. I'm going to Hawaii the week after this. So I thought, why not pull out a little Beachy palette and whatnot. I'm going to be doing a video on all like my Beachy Hawaii palettes at some point. Just keep your peep for that. But yeah, let's do this Mishmash Monday. Let's go pick our shades. Like I said, I'm rusty. Bear with me. But we're gonna start with the Keys Beachy and Peachy palette. There's 18 shades in this bad bitch right here. So I have my random number generator pulled up on the Google. So here we go. 3 is that shade right there called the Contra Public. Next, 2 is that Key Lime Time shade right there. I'm super excited for this. This is definitely a palette that I really need to take out more. I really want to play with like these shades right here at some point. So maybe I will bring this one along on my trip and play with it. Because that would be really fun if I played with that in Hawaii and then, went out on a date night. So maybe I'll switch my schedule up a little bit. And last shade for this palette, 4. 4 is that shade right there called Sea Meets Sky right there. The Haunted palette has 14 shades. So 13 is that shade right there called Horrify. This is what Mishmash Money is all about, though. It's about like putting colors together that you wouldn't have thought to put together and just having a good time and making yourself crazy, It's what it's about. Next, 8 is that shade right there called Spectral. Last but not least, I already got that one. Come on. 9 is that shade right there called Obsessed. I think this is going to be so much fun. I think this is actually going to look really cool. I'm excited for this. I'm excited to film when I get back. Okay, so hello, hi, I'm back from lunch. Let's look at this. This is the color story here. I think it is just absolutely gorgeous. I have to rush this. I have to go grocery shopping. I don't know when my husband's getting home from the gym. But yeah, here is this. These 3 over here are the Keys, Beachy, and Peachy. And then these 3 right here are the Haunted. So we have the Contra Public, Key Lime Time, Sea Meets Sky. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see shit. Horrify, Spectral, and then Obsessed. I think this is going to be so much fun. This dark Horrify, I think is what it was called, is going to just give us some depth. I don't honestly know what I'm going to do with that blue, but I do think that this is going to be a whole hell of a lot of fun. I'm super excited for this. I'm really excited. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. They're just there for you guys if you see something in my videos that you care to look at. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End, and then setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me scooch in and let's get this thing started. I'm super excited for this. I'm sorry about the lighting. Yeah. We're at that point of the day. I'm really sad about this. I got these Blend Bunny brushes, and then like, I have to see if my husband can, do manly things and fix that. Again, if you can hear the fridge, I am sorry. It's just loud and annoying, and we're just gonna have to, you know, deal with it. I think I'm gonna bring like these into here, play with the purple. I don't know. I honestly don't have an idea. I really like that though. I really like that. So I guess we'll just end up seeing what I do end up doing here. I'm really excited to play with this. I think this is such a fun color story. And yeah, I think we're in for a good time here. I think I'm gonna start with that Obsessed shade right there from the Haunted palette. I'm gonna go in with my Rephr 14 here. And we're gonna take that into the crease area right here. It feels good to be back. This feels like it's gonna go a hell of a lot better than it did when I tried filming this morning. I'm filming on the Sunday before this goes up. Yeah, it feels a lot better. It feels a lot. I feel a lot more content, even though I'm just starting right now, but I feel a lot better. I think there's a better energy right now. The sun's out. I've been in the sun. I've been around essentially family, and I'm just at a calmer, better place right now. Yeah, just taking that Obsessed shade and bringing it into the crease here. I'm so excited to go to Hawaii. I'm excited to film in Hawaii. I'll have to figure out the view and everything, like behind me and everything. But I'm super excited. I'm really excited to play with this palette at some point too. Like, this is so gorgeous. But we're gonna switch over to that Keys Beachy and Peachy. We're gonna go in with that Key Lime Time shade right there. Again, still Rephr 14 because why not? And we're gonna bring that under here. Right in here. Bring it up into there. You know. Bring it in here too. Maybe we'll make this into a sort of like halo eye, and we can maybe bring that pop of blue into here. But yeah, just bringing that right into here, blending that Key Lime shade into that yellow one. I'm just so excited to film there. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to do other things. I'm pretty sure my husband said that we're gonna be doing like this manta ray swim feeding thing, and I'm just super excited. I'm excited to see his friends. I'm excited to go about and do things there again. Yeah, I'm super excited. But yeah, just taking that into that space right there for right now. And I do think I'm going to switch to a maybe tinier brush here. Maybe this one actually. This Rephr 26. And I think we're going to go in with that Horrify shade right there. Taking that and then bringing it right into here. And we're just going to, you know, deepen this out a little bit. And we're going to go back in and blend this, but for right now, I just want to, right now it's about placement, especially when I use this Rephr 26. I never really blend or get it. However, I use this to plop it in, and then I will go from there afterwards. I know that those don't really go together, but I'm going to go back in with that Rephr 14 brush that I use for everything else, and we're just going to blend. Just going to blend it all in here. We'll make everything work. The Twilight Saga is on Netflix now, and that's what I've been doing. We came back on the plane from Arizona, and I was watching Twilight because I had downloaded it, and my husband was watching Black Mirror, but I kept like looking over out of the corner of my eye, and I was like, he's watching this with me. I just thought it was hilarious because he thinks it's so cringe, but then every time I would look over, he was like completely interested in it. I think that doesn't look too bad. I do look a little tired, but I don't think that looks bad. It looks a little muddy, but you know, it is what it is. What should we do now? What should we plop in there? Kind of tempted to bring that like purple in there, and then we can maybe mix those two and bring that in here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with my Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Grasp here. And we're going to plop that into that little space in there. So I'm going to go in with my Forever 21. I've said this before in almost all my videos. This is my go-to shimmer brush. I freaking love it. And I'm going to go in with, what was that shade? The Spectral shade right there. It's not like a full-on shimmer, but it's like, it's a little something. So we're going to take that first, and then maybe we'll plop a little bit of that Conch Republic one on top. But I really want to plop this in here. A little bit of a pop of something in here, just like that. Yeah, this will look so gorgeous with that contour on it. But yeah, just taking that into there for right now. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Just taking it and stamping it in, going in with a couple layers here. Oh, you guys, that's stunning. I love that so much. Okay, we're gonna go back in with that Rephr 14 and just kind of, you know, blend it in, cement its place a little bit. But yeah, going off of that like whole Twilight thing, the whole Twilight saga is now on Netflix, and I've been loving life. It's so nostalgic, so cringy, but so good, you know? I'm gonna go in with that Conch Republic shade right there now, and still taking that on my Rephr 21 after I've cleaned it off a little bit. And then plopping a little bit of that on top of that purple shade. Just kind of subtly like that. Taking my finger and just kind of blending it all in here. I like that. It's very, very subtle. Yeah. It's a little something. It'll go somewhere else when we bring that blue in. But for right now, I'm gonna leave that this, and I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. We will go over and do the under eye together and all that good stuff. So just, you know, give me a second. Okay, hi, hello, we're back. Let's go over a couple of details here. I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks blush palette, and I went in with that one right there called Sticky Sweet, and then I went in with the Blend Bunny Knock to Loosen highlight palette. If you've been here, you know that this is my go-to. This is the one that I always use. I went in with Far Out and Transient, so the purple, can't really see it in this lighting, the purple and the green highlight here. I haven't decided if I'm going to put something in this waterline or not, but you know, it is what it is. But I did slap that highlighter all over my face. Like I said, I don't know what I want to do. My lashes are something today, so there's that. I'm kind of tempted to go in with a little bit of that Sea Meets Sky shade into here. So I'm gonna go in with my Rephr 03 for that. Really, really tiny amount, and just kind of blend it into here. I feel like this might be the wrong choice, but I also just like don't really care. You know, just a little bit of something in here. I don't know. I feel like it kind of adds a little something, so I'm going to stick with it. Yeah, I'm happy with adding that in there. Okay, so now that I have that in there, I'm going to kind of bring all that down here. So I think I'm just going to start by going in with that Key Lime Time shade right there. And we're going to switch over to my Rephr 23. This is my little one. I'm really trying to rush because I really want to beat this like really shitty lighting. So I'm just taking that Key Lime Time shade and just bringing it right here, and then this way. I didn't know what I was going to do with that blue shade. I thought I was just gonna like bring it in as like an inner corner something, but I'm really happy that I brought it in up there, and I changed my direction with that. Yeah. And then we can pop a little something in here. Maybe make this a little bit brighter. I'm hoping that the palette is not blocking it. So after I've done that, I'm gonna clean that off a little bit, and then we're going to go in with a little bit of that Horrify shade right there and just kind of smoke that out a little bit right here. I'm too lazy to bring that yellow one in. So yeah, just going right here. Clean that off and then going in with that Sea Meets Sky shade right there. I'm bringing it right here. Then once I have that mess there, I think I'm just going to go in with that Conch Republic shade because laziness. And then bringing that into right here. Really messily and really bad. So just in there, and then I think, switching back over to my Rapper 03, I think we're going to go in with a little bit of that spectral shade right there. If I can get it in the lighting, that one right there. Yeah, it's just, I should have filmed earlier, but I just didn't. So just taking that shade and bringing it right into here. I will say the formula of this Haunted palette has kind of been a butthole to use. Just saying. I like that. I'm going to go in with that Conch Republic shade, that yellow shimmer. That one right there. And just plop a little bit of that on over that. That's a mess, but I don't care. So I'm going to go plop on some mascara. I'm going to figure out a lip and then we'll, you know, chat it all over. So the lipstick that I went in with was this Moonlight Mauve one from Unearthly. It's from their Goggle collection. I think it's still available. I'll link it down below. But I really like how this turned out. I think it's so much fun. I think it's very spring. It's very summer. It's just very light, very dainty. I think it turned out beautifully. I'm really happy with it. So here is a little up close personal look at it. If my lashes are not glued down all the way, that is nobody's problem. It's nobody's issue. We're just gonna ignore it. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. I think this is so pretty. It's so much fun. I'm really, really liking it. Yeah. It's gorgeous. I like it. So there is that. If you made it to this point of the video, this is the point of the video where all the noises are gonna be made. So I'm so sorry. It is what it is. But again, but if you made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. I really do appreciate having every single one of you here. I love doing this. I love playing with makeup. I love doing videos. I love creating content for y'all and having you guys enjoy it. It means the world to me. So just thank you guys so incredibly much for being here. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, and your energy. It is 2025. Pull the stick out of your ass and do freaking better. Remember to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, to be taking care of yourself, to be doing things for you. And remember that morals over makeup. Please, for the love of God, take that one in. If you're gonna take anything from here, take that one. Please, please, thanks. Thank you so much. Again, if you guys made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Just so incredibly much. I love doing this. So just thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.